Bonjour bandeko balandi bandeko internaute na sepeli mingi lisusu lelo bokota na bino teacher Platini Bihata Bayamba. Alors lelo toko partager leçon 7 partie B. To mona ki introducing someone na weleki to pesa ki kombo ya batu ya famille baninga na biso ya misala soit ba relation to zanango familiale ba bokilo et consort et to pesa ki ba expression misato pour nous représenter Batu. This is my. Let me introduce you to my. Paul, this is Mark. Mark, this is Paul. Et it's nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Glad to meet you. I'm happy to make your acquaintance. Wana yango to mona ki na leçon 7A o eza partie B to sala ba pratique ebele. Alors na yango pratique liboso to zana Salem na Joseph. Salem na liboko nanga ya mwasi, Joseph awa. Alors na father baza trois personnages. Salem, Joseph, father. Father is a papa. Alors, Salem abandi golobana boy. Salem alobi. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Wana Salem azwebisa Joseph. Hello, my friend. Let me introduce you to my father. Hello, my friend. Let me introduce you to my father. Hello, my friend. Let me introduce you to my father. Salem akobina goloba. Father, this is Joseph. Omoni touché, this is en couleur, échanger couleur. Father, this is Joseph. He is my classmate. Joseph, this is my father. His name is Jires. Et father, le col va présenter dans Joseph. Il est pas global. It's nice to meet you, Joseph. Nde Joseph global. It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. Allez, nazotanga sigo nyonso. Hello, my friend. Let me introduce you to my father. Hello, my friend. Let me introduce you to my father. Father, this is my friend Joseph. He is my classmate. Joseph, this is my father. His name is Jires. It's nice to meet you, Joseph. It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. Second dialogue, dialogue ya mibale. Ils ont entre Naomi, Nathalie, Chancela. Naomi abandi. Hi, Nathalie. Hi, Nathalie. This is my niece Chancela. My niece. Na leçon leki to monaki niece aza mona kasi na yo ya mwasi. Hi, Nathalie. This is my niece Chancela. Chancela, this is my aunt Nathalie. This is my aunt Nathalie Bihata. Nathalie Pagoloba, I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. Et bon, Chancela a rétorqué en disant, glad to meet you. Glad, glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Alors, le la son de, na son te, ils ont réalisé place moko na monoko. Yango ezoki na lobango tozoloba, glad to meet you. Bande gona biso na mikili ya meriologa, glad to meet you. It's glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Ok, tu répètes les sous Naomi, Nathalie, na Chancela. Naomi a bandi goloma. Hi, Nathalie. This is my niece, Chancela. Chancela, this is my aunt, Nathalie Bihata. I'm pleased to meet you. Glad to meet you. Ok. Nayango wana tokosala une petite récapitulation. Moi kozonga sima moke pour la leçon na biso elekaki, il y a 7 parties A. Pour 7 parties B ils ont complété yango. Alors, tout le monde a dit que sokolingo présenter mutu. Okoloba, this is my Nazara na die merci liboso na ngai nazotambola na mwasi na nga. Hey, hello dear merci. How are you? Oh, dear merci. Happy it has been a long time since I met you. Dear merci. This is my wife, Belbish Nzanza. Belbish, this is my friend or this is my colleague. Dear merci. Dear merci a webisa mwasi na nga. It's nice to meet you, madam. Madame pa webisa it's a pleasure to meet you, Dieu merci. Ou soit, na mimi leki nanga na musala, awana lisa pour English Club TV, to kutani na Monsieur Jude. Jude, this is my younger sister, Rebecca Bihata. Rebecca, this is my colleague, our boss in terms of filmology. Jude. It's nice to meet you, Rebecca. Rebecca Pakoloba. Nice to meet you too, Jude. Ok. Exemple mususu. Oye kota langa soit oza mona classe nanga. Supposons que notre producteur, Monsieur Glody, aye kota langa nandaku. En anglais, tu es producer. Il vient me visiter. Nakoloba. Oh, sir, Glody, let me introduce you to my wife. Let me introduce you to my wife. Et l'ingoloba, tika ngana présenter yo epaya et togo kende. Madam, this is Glody. He is my colleague. He is our producer. Glody, this is my wife. Her name is Belbish Nzanza. It's nice to meet you, madam. Yepa Glody, nice to meet you too. Ok? Donc, yango on ezali lo lenge oyo okoyi ko se présenter. Chez les anglo-saxons, kozelate bosilisi li solo et bon motoni wazalaki ananyo. Ça ne marche pas comme ça. Il faut être prompt. La présentation se fait aussitôt beaucoup d'années, soit une école. Alors, na yango wana, tanga yango lisusu mingi, toko répéter ba vocabulaire auto tanga ki na leçon na biso précédente. Ba komba ba membre famille, ba relatives, na ba acquaintances. Répétez après nga. Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. Quand c'est trompé, côté trompé, ana UNT, koloba aunt, aunt. Cousin, nephew, niece, boss, teacher, doctor, landlord, tata lopango, landlord, landlady, tenant, classmate, roommate, wife, husband, son, daughter. Do kolanda G wana te. En anglais to prononcera G te mingi mingi. G is a silent. G is silent. Daughter. Daughter. Daughter.
Ou est anglais moko bazo l'accent na ndenga lingala pour comprendre facilement. Belé bozo déplacer bozo ke na mboka ba paya ou c'est na monoko anglais bozo na et compréhension na likambo ba ko biso ya pete o comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko anglais za pete ça simple langue ko banga ngote bokota na club sa English TV bango ba laksa ka penda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o ka penda how are you isuka